What's going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestic Capital here, and as you guys can see, I'm live trading on my Apex accounts. We currently are at 251, or actually $1,000 in profit on this account. We're in this trade right now, and the reason I'm recording right now is because there's news in about 15 minutes at 9:30 for Australian dollar, and I just want to show you guys a live trade. I haven't live traded in a while, so I just want to show you guys this live trade. And the reason I'm in this trade at this time is because this is a setup that I wanted to take in New York, but because you cannot swing trade on futures, I just closed out. I was in the trade. I closed out somewhere up here. Let me zoom in a bit. Closed out somewhere up here and hopped back in. This is the same setup that I would have taken or I would have held if I was able to swing futures. So I just decided to get back in. And I'm going to show you guys what happens with the Australian dollar news. It is, like I said, in about 15 minutes. Let me show you guys right over here. Refresh the screen. Australian dollar news. If we actually analyze, let's see if we can predict what's going to happen. Do we have any other AUD pairs? This is my live account right there. Let's see if we go to main Australian dollars. If anything else aligns with this. If another AUD pair aligns with this. No, not clean at all. But nonetheless, we're in this trade, and I want to show you guys what's up with this trade. And yeah, once news gets a little closer, I'm going to unpause this and have you guys watch along with me. So I will catch you guys in the next clip, and yeah. All right, guys, we have news in about 15 seconds, 10 seconds now. So we're going to wait and see what this does. You can see the profits on here are basically break even. But we'll see what happens. Just a couple of seconds. Okay, price is moving, price is moving. Not really heavy news. Let's see, let's give it some time. See if we can get a push from this. Nothing crazy. I know we have USD news at 8 tomorrow. So that's most likely going to push price up. We have USD news at 8:15 and 10 o'clock. But this AUD news was really anything. So yeah, that's it, guys. I will update you guys on the trade if anything happens. All right, guys, we are getting a bit of a push here. You can see very nice push to the upside, up about $1,600 on each account. By the time it hits TP, we should be at the point where we can request a withdrawal. So we'll be at about $6,600 on each account. Let me go ahead and show you guys on TradingView. Oops, wrong thing. You can see on TradingView, this is it right here, beautiful. And this is my live account, taking on my live account as well. So we're just waiting for this push to the upside. Now, what I need to be careful of is the trailing drawdown. Because again, you can go up in profit, but if price pulls back too hard, I can just lose the account completely. So hopefully everything goes well and the account or price doesn't pull back too hard. I'm hoping price, it could fluctuate a little bit, but hopefully it doesn't pull back too hard to break even or somewhere near break even. So that's what I'm waiting for, and we will see exactly what happens. And you guys saw me start from drawdown to this push right here. This is the only one I'm looking at right now. This is the only trade. This trade should, or is going to get us that withdrawal that we're looking for, that 15K withdrawal. So I'll continue to update you guys, and yeah, see you in the next clip. All right, guys, we're currently up about 2K on each account. Price is pushing nicely. Again, we're hoping we don't get too big of a pullback, especially as we go into profit. Hopefully, price just pushes through, especially to the TP. And yeah, that'll be amazing. Currently on my live account, and we're just waiting. Just waiting. Patience is the game, is the name of the game. And yeah, so beautiful entry on the trade. Excuse me. And I just wanted to show you guys a live video again because I haven't traded live in a minute. For you guys, I've shown you guys me after. I've shown you guys me after, but I haven't shown you guys. I've broken down the trades after I've taken them, but I haven't shown you guys me taking it live. And I just want to give you guys an update on me trading live and everything that's happening. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to update you guys. I'm probably gonna go to sleep, and yeah, you guys may just see me after the trade. See what happens after the trade because I don't know if I'll have time in the morning to start the YouTube video up again, show you guys the trade playing out or whatever the case is. So whatever happens, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna again being transparent here. I'm gonna show you guys everything. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am back, guys. And in the last clip, you guys saw that I was up about $2,000 on each account. Then New York session came. There was some news. A price stopped me out. I tried to get in again because the setup was beautiful, and I over leveraged on that setup. And price stopped me out once again, and I completely lost those accounts completely. Now, the good news is that I purchased some more accounts and I passed those as well. And we are actually up more in capital. So before we had about $1.2 million in capital. Now we have about $1.8 million in capital. You guys can see over here, we have 7 past accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 past accounts that all were passed. Well, these 4 were passed in one day. These accounts I've had for about 2 weeks, but I only took 2 trades on them. And yesterday was the big trade that we took on Nas that actually, excuse me, that actually brought us to the profit target. And you can see everything is passed, all is passed. So again, guys, it's important to be consistent and persistent after your goals. Now, it's one thing to be dumb and keep chasing your goals while not learning anything in the process. I'm learning not well. I should have been known that, but I'm working to not over leverage. And here's my trading plan from now on, or at least on these Apex accounts, on these futures accounts, because futures is a lot different, especially with the trailing drawdown. Until I find a really, really good prop firm that does static drawdown instead of trailing drawdown like Apex. I'm only gonna take 1 trade a day, and on this 250K account, that trade is gonna be worth $500. So I have about $6,000 of wiggle room to play around with. So that means I would have to lose 12 to 13 trades in a row in order for me to lose this account. That's not going to happen. Even if you don't have a consistent strategy, it's damn near impossible to lose 12, 13 trades in a row. Nevertheless, someone who is actually has a set strategy, has a profitable strategy. So I'm only going to be taking 1 trade a day. That trade is going to be worth $500 because if you think about it, even if it takes me 2 months to pass, to get to the profit target so I can withdraw. Now, let me tell you something. In order to withdraw, I have to get these accounts to 256. I have to make $6,600 in profit. Now, after I get to the $6,600 in profit, I'm allowed to withdraw $3,000 per account. So let's do some math. $3,000 per account, 7 accounts. 7 times 3 is 21. So that's $21,000. Even if it takes me 2 months to get to the profit target, that is still good money, pretty decent money. $10,000 per month. That's about 10.5K per month. That is still some decent money, some more than I've ever made, and that's still some decent money. So even if it takes me 2 months, like I said, I'm only gonna be risking $500 per trade, and I'm gonna let price do what it does, and I'm gonna let my strategy work out because me over leveraging isn't giving myself a chance to stay in the game long enough for my strategy to play out. Because just like they say, the casino always wins, the house always wins. Like, I'm the house because I have a proven strategy. I'm the house. But I have to give myself a chance to stay in the game for the long run in order for me to come out on top. And that's not what I'm doing. I keep over leveraging. I keep trying to do everything in 1 day, pass everything in 2 weeks, whatever the case is, in 10 days, because you have to have a minimum of 10 days of trading in order to withdraw, and you have to have the profit target. But I'm not giving myself a chance. So 1 trade a day, $500 per trade. And that's exactly what we're doing. So that is that. You guys see, I haven't activated these accounts yet. That's why if we go to PA charts, there's nothing on here. Absolutely nothing on PA charts. Eval charts, you can see that I have the accounts there all passed. And it was a beautiful setup on Nas. Let me actually show you guys the setup, break it down really quickly. Beautiful setup on Nas. 5-minute time frame. Nas is just pure bullish. No reason to sell Nas, at least right now. US 30 has better, well, let me not say better, but US 30 does more potential to sell US 30, but not NASDAQ. NASDAQ, you can see everything is bullish. Price pushed up, came back to this area. I was not expecting this 4-hour low to get broken. It could have been pierced through, but not broken. And then we had a 5-minute setup right around New York Open. Beautiful setup around 9:30. I just waited for price to come back down, and that was it. I entered somewhere around here, had this bullish engulfing that gave me confirmation. Waited for an imbalance play. You can see there was a small imbalance right over here. Entered right in there, right when price came back, and I just held it and let it do what it did. Whether I lost a trade or not, pretty decent trade. And that's it. Once again, guys, these are the accounts. You can see that they are all passed. It says that they are all passed. So, yes, remember, learn from your mistakes, guys. Learn from your mistakes. Don't just keep going from challenge to challenge and not learning anything. Make sure you guys are learning from your mistakes and you guys are adhering to the new principles that you set for yourself after you learn from your mistakes. And that's how you get better. That's how you become a consistently profitable trader. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the transparency, most important. And yeah, you guys are going to witness me get a beautiful payout, and I can't wait. I'm excited. I'll see you guys in the next one.